Hi, this is Stephen Devlin, President of MacDev Financial Group here in Gibsons, British Columbia on the Sunshine Coast. We're in full lockdown mode. I'm in the office, but the office is completely blocked. As you can see, everyone is gone. And I just want to put a quick little shout out to everybody to say, hey, we've been thinking about you and constantly praying and sending positive energy and thoughts to all of our clients, to all of our friends, to all of our family, to all the people we're connected to on Facebook, people we don't know yet. We just want to say that we're here and we want to help, and we're so blessed to be doing what we're doing. As you all may know or may not know, I am one of Canada's leading experts in the infinite banking, bank on yourself concept. We've been building this for over 10 years now, and it really has become a war chest for individuals such as ourselves and clients to help them get through this crisis that we're all going through. And I just want to tell you that we're blessed to be able to have that option, to have money when we need it. So I just wanted to say here, we're here to help. Check out MacDevFinancial.com and sign up for our newsletter. And we're just here to inspire and coach and give you insights and give you hope. Have a great day. Be well. Stay safe.